Hello dear students, welcome again in English Grammar class 5. I think you all are enjoying learning by the online, right? You all are carrying the mobile, you are watching the videos, so that is very enjoyable for you, right? No? Let's see one more chapter from grammar section, the articles a and the. The articles a and the. As you know, the words a and the are called articles. In English, there are three articles a and the. Articles are used before nouns. It means articles a and the we are using before nouns. See, there are two types of articles, indefinite article, definite articles. We use general things for the indefinite articles and definite article for specific things. See, indefinite articles a and definite article only one the. The articles a and an are called indefinite articles. The article the is called the definite article. See, use of indefinite articles. As we know, there are two articles which is included in the indefinite articles. Which are they? A or an. The article a is used before nouns beginning with consonants and vowels that sound like consonants. See, most of a, the article a we are using before consonants, and sometimes the vowels that sound like as a consonant, that time we use a. For example, see, a pigeon. The P start from consonant. So we are using a as a article. Second one, a house. Here also H. So we are using H means consonants. We know that which are vowels. 5 vowels in the English grammar. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Right? So remaining all are consonants. So H is in the consonant. So we use A before the H. Third example is a union. Union. See here, union sound like as a consonant sound. So before union word we are using a. Next, when we have to use an, the article an is used before nouns beginning with vowel sounds and words beginning with a silent H. See, when we are using the and before beginning the vowel sounds, it means the words start from vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. And one more thing is that the silent H. When we use and before the silent H and the vowel sounds. Okay. For example, accident. See, a is the vowel, so that's we are using there and. Second one, empire, U also the vowel sound, so that we are using and. See, hover, so ha, H is silent here, so we are using and before the hour. Next, the article a or an are used to refer to someone, indefinite person or thing. It means the article a or an use that indefinite person or thing. See, I have a friend, so that is the indefinite. We have brought a TV set. The articles a or an are used before singular countable nouns. We also use before singular countable nouns to mean one, showing that only one. So before that we are using a or an. See, I have a friend. I have a friend. That means showing the singular countable noun. So, I have a friend in Tokyo. Give me an orange from that basket. Orange. The sound O is vowel. So, before that use an. Next, use of the definite article the. See, the article the is used to point out some particular person or thing. When we are using the, when we have to point out the particular person or any kind of thing. The article the is used to refer to something or someone already mentioned earlier. One more thing, when we have to point out the particular person or thing, that time we are using the, or already mentioned the earlier. It means something already mentioned, that time also we use the article. At last, the article the is used with name of geographical phenomena, monuments, holy books or epics or circuses. See, sometimes the geographical phenomena, monuments, holy books, epics and circuses. So we are using the. Let's see some example of the. For example, see, this is the monuments. The Qutub Minar. See, the sun. This is the holy book. So that's why we are using there the Ramayana. At last, the historical place we are mentioned here, the Sahyadris. Okay. So before the holy books, monuments and historical phenomena, that we are using the. See, at last, articles are a and the. Use a and for one out of many. See, when we have to use one more time, we have to understood that use a when the noun begin with a consonant. See, a bag, a cat. Exception when the vowel u sound like u. So, a university, a utensil, it means sound like a consonant, so that time also we use a. Okay, now next, when we have to use an when the noun begin with a vowel. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. Example, an apple. See, apple first letter begin with vowel. And umbrella. Umbrella also a vowel. So before that the vowel sound we use the an. Then exception, when the consonant H is silent. For example, an hour and honor. So H is silent. When H is silent, also that time we are using an. And at last, use the for a specific item. The umbrella in the bag. It means repeated it again. It is mentioned earlier and repeated again. The cat in the tree. See, it means repeatedly again. The is earlier mentioned and after that also the is mentioned in the sentence. Okay, let's understood that concept of a and the, when we have to use a and the. I hope do you understood this chapter from English grammar. Okay, let's see in the next session. Thank you.